Here is how to sign up on Fancentro. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can sign up on Fancentro. So let's start. First of all, go to the official website of Fancentro, which is fancentro.com. Then after, you'll come to an interface like this. Now as you enter the website, you'll come to the page like this. You'll find options to sign in or register. Now since we are trying to sign up on the platform, tap on register. After that, you can sign up as either a fan or as a creator. Now if you are trying to become a creator and upload your content, you'll want to tap on Are You a Creator and then sign up. Otherwise, if you are just here to explore some other content creators, then you can simply select sign up as a fan. After that, you'll have to enter your email address, username and then create a password. Then after, tap on sign up. Besides that, you can also easily sign up through Google or Apple ID. Since signing up with your Google account is easier, I'll tap on the Google option. After you enter all the details, tap on sign up as a fan. Then after, your Fancentro account will be successfully created. So in this way, you can easily sign up on Fancentro. That's it for the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for further similar videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.